Revenue and profit are two crucial concepts in business and finance. Although they are related, they are not the same thing. Understanding the difference between revenue and profit is essential for any business owner or investor, as it can help to identify the financial health of a company and make informed decisions. Revenue is the total amount of money that a company earns from the sale of its goods or services. It is the top line of the income statement and represents the total sales made by a business. Revenue can come from a variety of sources, such as the sale of products, services, and other income generated by the business. Profit, on the other hand, is the amount of money that a company makes after deducting all of its expenses from its revenue. It is the bottom line of the income statement and represents the company's net income. Profit is what is left over after a business has paid all of its expenses, including the cost of goods sold, operating expenses, taxes, and other charges. The main difference between revenue and profit is that revenue is the total amount of money a business earns, while profit is the money that is left over after all expenses have been paid. Revenue is a measure of a company's sales, while profit is a measure of its financial performance. For example, if a company generates $1 million in revenue but incurs $900,000 in expenses, the profit will be $100,000. In this case, revenue represents the total sales made by the company, while profit represents the amount of money that the company has left over after all expenses have been paid. It is important to note that a company can have high revenue but low profit, or even negative profit. This can happen if a company has high expenses or if it is not managing its costs effectively. On the other hand, a company can have low revenue but high profit if it is operating efficiently and keeping its expenses low. Revenue and profit are two essential concepts in business and finance. Revenue represents the total amount of money a company earns, while profit represents the amount of money left over after all expenses have been paid. Understanding the difference between revenue and profit is essential for making informed decisions about a company's financial health and future prospects.